Buyer, your petition is not here yet. Pardon? Yeah, I'll give you an opportunity when we are present at order number 5 to present your petition. Next order. Yes. Yes, Honorable Wangwe.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, when Kagombe was walking in, you did mention to yourself, to us, that unless he justifies his dress, he is improperly dressed. That instruction, Honorable Speaker, is hanging. We don't know whether you meant that he leaves the house or he has to clarify.
Honorable Kagombe, what is that on your head?
Mr. Speaker.
Yes.
In keeping with the Article 32 of the Constitution, I'm exercising my right to religion, assembly, and to display. In fact, I want to read it out to you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, Article 32.
I know what it says. Order, Kagombe. I know what it says.
So, Mr. Speaker, I have now, since the last time we were in this parliament, found Jesus, and found Jesus in a different way. And now the religion that I profess dictates that I, at times, when during official functions like this, that I be dressed like this.
Which sect is that?
It is not a sect, it is a religion.
Which religion?
It is called the Church of Love and Acceptance. Mr. Speaker, this is a newly registered church that has just been registered at the Registrar of Societies. It is called the Church of Love and Acceptance, and I now associate with it.
Honorable Kagombe, the chair takes judicial notice of the fact that the only sect I know that dresses the way you are dressed is the Agorino. To the extent that you are naming something totally different, I rule you out of order.
Mr. Speaker.
And you'll have to go and change your gear and come
Mr. Speaker.
Back. Order. Order, Kagombe.
Order number 5, papers.
Next order. Honorable Kagombe, Kilemba has notified the Speaker in writing that is an adherent to the Agorino sect, which is commonly known to wear that kind of headgear. You're out of order. Go and change and come back. Next order.
Order number 5, papers.
With the mic. Yeah, say.
Hold, Honorable Naomi. Kilemba is now a stranger in the house. Kagombe, sorry. Apologies to Kilemba. Kagombe, you are now a stranger in the house. But when you are properly dressed, I'll allow you back.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Honorable Speaker, I beg to lay the following papers on the table of the House today, Thursday, 29th June, 2023. Reports of the Auditor General and financial statement in respect of the following constituencies for the year ended 30th June, 2022, and the certificates therein. A, Mbere South. B, Mbere North. C, Mandera East. D, Mandera West. E, Mandera South. F, Mandera North. G, Mandera East. H, Wajir North. I, Buri. J, Sigor. K, Mara. L, Ijara. M, Banisa. N, Balambala. O, Igembe South. P, Loima. Q, Keio North. R, Tigania West. S, Saboti.